Okay, so I'm gonna bleach my hair again for the third time and probably tone it. I'm gonna put on coconut oil again and bleach it tomorrow. So basically, I trim my hair a lot, as you guys could notice. Check my first two videos so you guys can see the difference between the length of my hair. Here's a picture of how my hair was before. So as you can see, my hair was pretty damaged, especially the parts that were damaged because of the hair dryer. Like the front part and the back part were damaged before I bleached it anyway. So these parts were going frizzy and the hair was just dead, so I trim a lot. And other than that, the rest of my hair feels pretty healthy. I was using argan oil, and that's it. The top part of my hair was lighter, so I'm gonna bleach this part first, then I'm gonna even everything out. I don't want to touch the root because I'm gonna let it grow like for another 4 weeks, and then I'm gonna do the last bleaching, and that's gonna be the last one because I'm over this shit already. Okay, so I'm gonna start by applying the coconut oil over my hair. You guys already know the drill. I'm using organic coconut oil. And then after that, you just put it inside like a shower cap, plastic bag, whatever. You let it for the rest of the night and sleep. So today is the next day. My hair is already dry. And before starting, I wanted to show you the situation. This is the root that grew already. And as you can see, from this part is lighter and here is darker. So what I'm going to do is bleach this part first, and when it's even, I'm going to apply here and then put the plastic bag on it. So before starting, I will be using a 20 volume developer from L'Oreal. You guys know the Bleach Blonde Studio. I might be toning, but I'm not sure yet. I might just have a bottle because I want to bleach it again 1 month after this, so I'm not sure about that. Then of course I'll be using any hair mask you guys have and lip conditioner. That of course I guess you guys probably have that already. The hair clips and kitchen foil. So yeah, and I'm gonna use sunscreen to protect my skin because I'm allergic to Vaseline. I have sensitive skin. Okay, so I look like shit. I look like a demon. So I split my hair in 4 parts. I did the top like way shorter because my damaged hair is there. And then the back, I did it like way bigger. As you guys can see that. I hope you guys didn't see that though. So you guys are gonna start by applying the sunscreen. This is the first time I'm going to do like bleaching alone or toning even. Like I never did nothing with my hair alone. So you guys, it's gonna be so bad. If you guys are doing the roots too and have like sensitive skin like I do, you can add sugar, like have like the little spoon to the bleach. That helped me though, but I'm not gonna do the root this time, so it's fine. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I mixed 1 scoop of bleach to 2 scoops of cream developer, but you can add more developer if it's too creamy, but it's up to you. I like it a little bit creamy, so I try to use as much as bleach as possible. I split my hair in 4 parts and I cover it with kitchen foils. I don't know if you can use them, but they work for me, so go. Hi guys, so I already put bleach on the ends of my hair and it's looking messy. Like what the fuck, I look like an alien. So I'm letting the bottom parts to be on the level of the top, and then I'm gonna put all over it and then on a plastic bag for like 10 minutes or 15 or 20, and then I'm gonna rinse it. Okay, so now I put to the rest. Oh my god, my face is full of bleach. I'm gonna wash it ASAP. So I applied to the rest and now we're processing. Okay guys, the sun set already and I'm gonna wash it. It's pretty light, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it ended up looking like. It's even, oh my god, I did such a good job, but I thought it was gonna look like, and it feels soft. It feels better than last week because I trimmed it, so trimming it helped a lot. And I had almost no follow again. Oh my god, my hair looks so short since I trimmed it out. But yeah, so now I'm going to tone it and I'll show you guys. So first of all, you need to grab your toner. I got the Wella T18, but it depends on which hair level you guys are. And you guys are around 9 to 10 level on your hair. T18 or T14 will be great. But if you guys are not there yet, this is not going to do anything but damaging your hair. So find the right toner for your hair level, okay? Use half of it because I want to bleach it again soon. So it's just for take away a little bit of the yellow. Then you're gonna mix it with 20 cream developer. Then you're gonna fill in the little bottle of the toner with double the amount. So if you use one bottle of it, you fill it twice. Like make sure to follow the ratio in order for it to work better. Since I just have, I'm just gonna put one, and since I almost finished my cream developer, I'm gonna add more because I don't think half a bottle is gonna be enough for my hair. And then after that, you just mix and get ready. When you're toning or coloring your hair, you're supposed to start by applying it to your roots. But I didn't bleach my roots, so there's no need for it. And basically, I have sensitive scalp and the toner is too harsh on it. So even if I would have been toning my roots too, I wouldn't apply it to my roots because it's gonna be too harsh on the skin and the pain is unbearable. I can't take it. That's not good for myself. So if you guys have regular skin, just start by applying the toner to your roots, then follow up by applying to the rest of your hair, but focus on your roots because since your roots are less porous, it's not gonna stain as much as the rest of your hair. And then after that, make sure that you finish all the toner that you just made, and then make a bun and put it inside a plastic bag and wait around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 45 minutes and I'm gonna wash out this thing and I'm gonna show you guys how it ended up looking like. So it's been 1 week and I'm sorry it looks oily because I didn't wash it 1 week. It feels so greasy. I'm just about to wash it. Now I will not bleach it in like 2 to 3 months. Yeah, I wanted it to be lighter, but I'm gonna be trimming and trimming. That's gonna be too much. Probably I'm gonna bleach the last one in 3 months or 2 months. And I want it short already. Like I think it will be better. I will look better with short hair, right? I miss my short hair so bad. So I want to come here and show you guys an update of my hair. So the situation is like I trim it myself. And it's so short, I feel so sad, but it feels so healthy. I trim all the dead hair, even though I could have healed it. Like the curls just came back automatically. And it was like, I went from 20% curls to like 80%. And I'm sure like in the next weeks, it's gonna become even better. So you guys, the key is wait 1 month, trim, trim, trim. My hair is feeling so good. It's so soft. Okay, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like it. Like, comment. Any suggestions, any advice of how to keep my hair healthy. And thank you. So we'll see you on the next one.